Malacanang says there will no longer be a revamp in the cabinet of President Bongbong Marcos. This is in response to Senator Rodante Marcoleta's concern over the supposedly growing number of crucial Philippine government agencies led by officials who are merely serving in an acting capacity. In a briefing on Friday, January 30, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says the cabinet members' names will be submitted to the Commission on Appointments as soon as possible.
Natanong po natin ang Pangulo kanina. Wala na pong rigo doon. At ang mga pangalan po ay isusumite sa Commission on Appointments as soon as possible.
So ma'am, follow-up lang, ire-reappoint sila lahat, yung mga nasa acting capacity.
Ang sabi po lang sa atin, ang mga pangalan na magiging secretary ay ibibigay po at isusumite sa Commission on Appointments.
Among cabinet members serving in the acting capacity are Acting Finance Secretary Frederick Go, Acting Budget Secretary Rolando Toledo, and Acting Justice Secretary Frederick Vida. An acting secretary becomes an official secretary when the president formally appoints the official and the Commission on Appointments confirms the appointment. Meanwhile, Castro also addresses reports that Department of Environment and Natural Resources Secretary Rafael Lotilla may soon leave his post. She neither confirms nor denies the reports, saying instead that they are still reviewing Lotilla's records.
Ang nasabi po ay nagkaroon na po ng pangatlo na pag-bypass sa kanyang appointment. So, tinitingnan po yung records ngayon ng Pangulo at ng PMS at tignan po natin kung ano po ang magiging update tungkol dito.
Lotilla replaced Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga in May 2025 at the height of the Marcos cabinet revamp last year.